Chaffoteaux, a fabulous story in the heating and sanitary hot water sector with more than 200 patented innovations in nearly a century. Around 1914, the adventure begins. In 1925, Chaffoteaux invents the gas tank, the first gas storage water heater. In 1955, Chaffoteaux creates the first gas wall-hung boiler, the Celtic, making individual central heating accessible to thousands of households. In 1978, Chaffoteaux embarks on solar heating, well before the term was invented. In 1982, Chaffoteaux creates the first condensing boiler, the Celtic Turbo. In 1992, Chaffoteaux innovates again with the first boiler with a mixer tap, the Siam. The Niagara Delta in 2001 and Mira Comfort in 2003 rapidly become reference products and set new standards on the French market. Today, Chaffoteaux boasts a more complete range than ever before and a new identity branded for the future. Our image is changing, but our values remain essential. We've always been guided by simplicity for the development, installation and use of our products. We're investing in our multi-energy expertise with ever more eco-efficient solutions. For the well-being of the planet and of yourself, because you are at the center of our concerns. We want to give access to advanced technologies and stay close to our business partners on a daily basis. With a firm belief in these values and a strong commitment to them, Chaffoteaux is intent on being the multi-energy leader. So, are you ready for the next chapter of our fabulous story?